Hi students, welcome back. Coming to the next topic in the C programming language, let's discuss about the C expressions. So what are the different C expressions? So in this video, I'm going to explain about what is the definition of the C expressions and what are the different types of the C expressions that we are using in the programming language, right? So now let's have a definition. An expression is a combination of operators and the operands which reduce to a single value. That is the meaning of the expression. So it is a combination of operators plus operands, not a plus, something like. So operators means what do you mean by operators? Operators are nothing but the arithmetic operations that perform arithmetic operations like plus, minus, divide, modulo, divide, into. So these are all called as operators that performs the operation. Operators are nothing but which performs the operation, that is an operator. Then what about the operands? Operands are nothing but it's a storage location, that the value assigned to a storage location, right? That is an operand. So and like A, B, some average, sum, whatever it may be, it's a name that you call it as an operand which allocates a memory location. We are give whatever the memory location that we are allocating, so to store the values. Okay, so for that memory location a name has to be assigned, so that is an operand. Operand which holds the value, an operand which holds the value. So I hope you get the clarity on what exactly the operator and the operand is. Operators are nothing but performs an operations, arithmetic calculations, and operands means it's a variables which holds the values. So don't get confused for operator and the operand. So finally, what is an expression? Expression is a combination of the operators and the operands which reduce to a single value. Whatever an expression is there, that complete expression is calculated and it is reduced to a single value, that is a final output. So that you will get the final output as a single value, that is an expression. Okay, so an operand is a data item on which an operation is performed. That is what I said. It performs an operation. An operator indicates an operation to be performed on data. Okay, operator. Operand is a data item which an operation is performed. So on that operation is performed, and operator indicates operation to be performed on data. So let's see this example. So here z is equal to 3 plus 2 star 1. So if you, these are the operators, right? Plus star, and operands are 3, 2, 1. So these are the values. It's just a value, not performing any operation. It's just 3 is a number. That's it. And whereas plus means it is having a meaning like it has to perform addition. Star means it has to perform multiplication. It is saying something. That is an operator. And operand means it's just single a value or a variable or whatever it may be. Okay. So this is an expression, right? So this expression is reduced to a single value. So see here, the different types of expressions are, so we are talking about the expressions, right? So the different types of expressions are primary, postfix, prefix, unary, binary and ternary. So these are the different types of expressions. Primary means whatever the expression you are giving. So here 3 plus 2 star 1, this is an primary expression. So it's an expression that you are giving. And postfix means all the operators. I'm talking about the operators. The operators has to be appeared before 3, 2, 1 plus star. So this is post. After the values, after the operands, the operators has to be present. Postfix. Then what is a prefix? Prefix means before. Always concentrate on operators. Prefix. Operators has to place before. Okay, like star, plus, 3, 2, 1. So that is a prefix. Prefix means operators has to place before. Postfix means operators has to be placed after. Post, after. Pre means before. And unary means it's like increment operator and the decrement operator. Plus plus a or a minus minus, something like that. It's a unary operator. And binary operator means it is two operands or to be performed using some operator. And ternary means 3 operands and 2 operators. So let's see with an example. So primary expression. The operand in the primary expression can be name, a constant or any parenthesized expression. So see here, this is an example. C is equal to A plus 5 star B. 5 into B. So this is a primary expression. You call it as a primary expression. You are giving as a like it's an expression. So these expression can be represented, whatever the expression is, you can represent it in postfix expression. Postfix expression means the operator will be after the operands. That is what I am saying. After the operands. So see here. The example is AB plus. AB is an operand and plus is an operator. So the operator has to be placed after the operands, that is post. And what about the prefix? The same. Prefix means the operator. You always have to think about the operator only. The operator means the plus, minus, the arithmetic calculation. The operator is before the operand is called prefix. See here. Example plus AB. Before the operand. So plus is an operator and AB is an operand. Then what about the unary expression? So the unary expressions are nothing but it contains one operator and one operand. See here. A plus plus minus minus B. One operator means any one operator, plus or minus or star or division, only one has to be there. And one operand, either A or B, only one operand operation is going to be performed. So that is unary expression. Then what about the binary expression? It contains two operands and one operator. See here. A plus B, two operands and one operator. Plus is an operator. Minus is an operator. So two operands and one operator, you call it as a binary expression. Then what about the ternary expression? The ternary, one second. Okay. So, ternary expression means it contains three operands and one operator. See here. Three operands, expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3 and only one operator. That is, it has to clear what operation has to be performed. If expression 1 is true, then expression 2 is executed. Otherwise, expression 3 is executed. This true, whatever it may be, it is only one operator. We are performing. A greater than B means either A has to be executed or B has to be executed. Okay. Otherwise, nothing. The C has to be executed. If both are wrong means C has to be something like. It is an expression. I am just talking about expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. These are all the, it's an operands. Okay. Three operands and one operator. The operation that is going to be performed. We are checking expression 1 is true. If it is true, then it is expression 2 is executed. If 1 is true, 2 has to be executed. Otherwise, 3 has to be executed. That is what saying. That is a ternary. Here, 3 operations are going to be checked here. Okay, using one operator. So that is about expressions. So what you understand from this? First is what is an expression? A simple equation that you reduce to single value is an expression. So the different types of expressions are primary expression, postfix expression, prefix expression, unary expression, binary expression and ternary expression. So I hope you understand, students. Still, if you having any doubts, please let me know. So there is a daily uploads on C programming languages are there, and I'm also trying to explain you with most multiple choice questions on C programming languages and also the all lab programs. I'll try to cover most of the lab programs in a separate playlist. Thank you.